Hey guys, this is Josh Lineberry. I'm going to do a hillbilly hack on how to shine up your headlights that are foggy or got dirt and crust all over them, things like that. Make it look shiny again. Only using this right here. This Ultra Bright toothpaste is $1. I got some mink oil and paper towels and a little shop rag. Alright, let me show you how easy this is. This is super fast, super cheap. Put a little dab on there of their toothpaste, wipe it on there real good, do a little bit of back and forth. Go all over the whole thing here. Up and down, do a little bit of circles. Let's put a little bit more over here on this side. Again, this is a hillbilly hack, super fast, super cheap. You could also use turtle wax. I can't find my turtle wax, so I use my mink oil. Turn your rag over, wipe off the excess toothpaste. And already, just by doing this, look how super clean that is already. I'm pretty impressed with that. That's just using dollar toothpaste. Now it's got to be the white toothpaste. It's gritty, a little bit gritty. All right, now I'm gonna take my mink oil, and this paper towel is a little bit damp. All I need is a little tiny bit. Let's go all the way across here. Wipe it on there in circles. Back and forth a little tiny bit. And we'll let that sit for about 10 seconds or so. Let that mink oil dry up a little tiny bit. I'm going to take my shop rag again and turn it inside out. It's got toothpaste on one side. And then I'm just going to lightly wipe it off. Man, that thing looks almost brand new again. That easy. I did the other side already. Keep my shadow out of there. I gotta tell you, I'm pretty happy with that. Alright, this is Josh Lineberry. That's my hillbilly hack on how to clear up your headlights. Thank you very much. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.